morning, my name is Ethan Malero for Land Rover Jaguar, and today I'm with the beautiful V8 Defender. You can see the V8 right there. Beautiful fixed door steps. V8. You have this beautiful interior with this very nice steering wheel. Come inside, you have all the fancy bells and whistles, panoramic roof, and just listen to this V8 sound. Oh yeah. Today I'm in the beautiful V8 Defender 2023, and I'll be showing you how to lower your air suspension. All you're gonna wanna do is come right over to this cluster, and you'll see these little buttons right here, raise and to lower. Right now we're at our lowest point, but to raise the air suspension, all you're gonna do is press that, and you'll see and feel the car starting to move. It'll tell you on there, and once it's at its max capacity, press it again, and you'll get raised even higher.